Today we don't be doing a pupper bag of chips with the, taco sauce in and let's get to it. And I'm finna pour the cheese in throwing that clean. I didn't never know they had two on that thing. The cheese get hard to come out. Let me eat it and show y'all how it look. And it's the food channel. This the frying taco box. Let me show it to y'all close, please. Hold up. See that how I look inside. See that I got the taco meat right there, that the beef and chicken in the bottom. Yep, that's how you do your videos. You know, good videos. See how that the beef. That the beef right there. Yeah, that the beef. Let me put some sauce in, I forgot to put the sauce in there. Some of y'all might be a sauce person. Taco Bell sauce. You already know how we do it. We done made that fried taco wrap. That's what I call it. The fried pupper bag taco wrap. The pupper bag Dorito taco wrap. Flying taco. We call it the flying taco. The frying taco. Like it got some wings and so it's frying. Yeah. You get some of that meat. You put that meat on there. I don't fly it out of there. That's how you do a food channel right here. That looking good. I made my own flying taco. I call it the flying taco. I might get some wings and throw it flying. Everybody, smash that like button and get this to 10 like of any 5. But when you do a challenge, make sure you always bring water with you. My water right there in that refrigerator, you know. And I'm gonna show y'all, look at it meat right there. Real good. I'm gonna fly it out of there. Everybody say you don't fly it out of there. Like that fly. He keeps messing with my food, man. I'm flying out of there. Everybody on this video, send a bird emoji like you flying out of there. Give me another napkin. Yup. When you eat it, know how to eat it. Make sure you bring you a spoon too. But I'm just with my hand. But I'm almost done with it. We're flying out of there. Nice that y'all try what I did. That real good. And say you flying out of there. We're flying out of there for real on everything. We out of there. Let me tell y'all. We out of there. That's how you do a food challenge. Make sure you have extra napkins. That's how you do it. See that all that trash? That's how you do it. Yeah. Fly taco. Feel like I can fly now. Yeah. Get this to like 20 likes, y'all. We had a whole adventure today. We don't, what? I don't ate this purple bag of chip with beef and chicken and with tomatoes and lettuce And let that do it. Let have fun and do it. Everybody else come do this what I did. And say you flying out of there. That's my favorite word. You flying out of there. Yeah, we don't did it. We flying out of there. Let's get it to 10K. 10K likes to 20 likes. 23 likes. Run it up. Everybody hit that thumbs up button. And we out. TA out.